What's going on, guys? So we're back out in the garage. Got my new Panhard bar, and so I'm already test fitted it. Welded the brackets onto the axle. One bracket right here. So it's like that. So my new Panhard bar is this guy right here, which it's got a slight bend to it. So this will go in there like that. It'll kick out, clear the shocks and everything to the frame. So also got the coilover mounts all welded. So hopefully this is the last time I have to take this out. So I'm gonna slide this in, get the Panhard bar welded in, and then I also have a frame reinforcement kit in here. Like to get to today. It's like 88 degrees outside right now, so it's a little warm. Got the summer clothes on. So get you guys set up and knock this out. What's going on, guys? So I got this Panhard bar all welded in. get you guys down here. So there she is, all welded. So axle can't go side to side. I do need to put the coilovers back on, and it can actually sit on the its own wheels under its own suspension instead of jack stands. So I do like the way it turned out. It's nice and open right here. So plenty of room for the coilover. And this side I was worried about, but the coilover isn't wider than the widest point on the mount, so we're good there. So now I've got a frame straightening or a brace kit for this, which is on Tri-5s. You kind of need them because they only have like 2 cross members from, so you have the one right here, and then the other one will be up here, which is the original transmission cross member. But this is, someone else added this, so, and then of course I put that one there. But it's only 2 cross members, so I'm gonna put the strengthening kit or brace kit, whatever you want to call it. Now there is 2 of them. I did buy the cheaper one. It's like a $400 difference. So this is the Summit Racing brand. So it'll go down the frame like that, both sides. And then you have your transmission cross member, which will weld with these. And then it has a dry shaft hoop, which I will not be using because I need to shorten them bars so I can weld it to my cross member. It won't be very long, but it'll be better than nothing. So I'll get you guys set up and get this knocked out. Alright guys, got this reinforcement kit all welded. I will have to take the body off to weld on top. It's a little warm still, but kind of hard to get the torch in there. So, which I plan on taking the body off to undercoat it, so I can do it then. So as you can see, I welded it to the cross member here, welded it to the frame here. The instructions really didn't say where to put it exactly. It just had it right after, so right after this mount. Now, it didn't say anything about a ladder bar suspension, so that's what I did. But and then the trans cross member will go across here, which I will not be welding because I do not have a transmission yet. So hopefully I get that here soon. So I do have an engine, which I'll save that for when that time comes. But so I think that's where I'm going to leave it off here. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. See you next time.